I'm Sherry in the test kitchen, and we are talking about astronaut food. Astronauts have to be careful about how they travel and pack their food. I have some examples of astronaut food right here, and they are vacuum sealed containers. This is shrimp and pasta. This is pasta and meat sauce. We have powdered milk, and to these containers, they would add water while they're up in space to sort of generate the food and maybe even cook it. Then we also have your classic M&Ms, a dry good, easy to pack to go into space. Well, I am going to simulate our own astronaut food here in the test kitchen. And we're going to do that with Jell-O pudding, or just pudding of any brand, and dried milk, or powdered dry milk. In a plastic bag with a zip top, and this one's a pretty durable one, you'll want to add 1 tablespoon and 2 teaspoons of that powdered instant pudding. And then the same amount, 1 tablespoon and 2 teaspoons of that powdered dry milk. And I've done that here in this bag, and I've mixed it up. Now, the astronaut would then take it to space like this, and up in space, add their water. So I'm going to add water here, and it is a 1/2 cup. Goes right into the bag, and I'm going to seal it up real tight so we don't have any accidents. And then you need to get to mixing it up really well. So you can shake it, you can squeeze it, make sure you get the corners covered. A lot of the powder goes into those corners. And this is going to take you probably about a minute of shaking. So really get into it. I do have one that I made just a few minutes earlier, just to show you what it would look like if I shook this really hard for 1 minute. And it's right over here. And the astronaut in space would probably eat this kind of in a very snacky way. So I'm going to cut the corner off here. I'm just going to squeeze this. It's chocolate pudding, and it's pretty good. And that's our simulated astronaut food.